Find the truth set of 3 multiplying 2x plus 1 or equal to 8. In order to find the truth set of this question, you first have to expand the brackets. And by expanding the brackets, you have to multiply the number outside the bracket by each term in the bracket. Okay, so let's first do that. So 3 multiplying 2x gives you what? 6x. Then 3 multiply 1 gives you what? We have 3. Then you bring your equal sign equal to 8. Now that we are done, the next thing to do is to group like terms. So we are going to send those that are constant to one side and then leave those having coefficients also plus variables also at another side. Okay, so let's take it as I'm maintaining this one and then sending this constant to the other side to its brother here. Okay, good. So we have 6x. I bring the equal sign. I have my 8 here as a constant number already, and now I'm bringing the 3 to the other side. Since it's positive, when it comes to this side, it will be what? Negative. Okay, so I have 6x equal to 8 minus 3. So 6x equal to, when you subtract 3 from 8, you get what? 5. Since I don't want 6x, but I want x, I have to find this x by dividing this 6x by 6 so that I can take off this 6. And since it is in an equation, whatever you do to the left hand side, you have to do the same thing to the right hand side. So you divide both sides by what? 6. Okay, so 6 divide 6, it will give you 1. And 1 multiply x is x. So I have x equal to 5 divided by 6. So this becomes our answer. But the question says find the truth set. Okay, so you have to write the truth set for x equal to 5 out of 6. And the truth set is x is said that x is equal to 5 divided by 6. So this becomes our answer. Our next question is to find the truth set of 2 multiplying x plus 1 or equal to 5. Okay, so that's 2. You multiply 2 by each term in the bracket. You have to expand the bracket. So 2 multiply x gives you 2x. 2 multiply positive 1 gives you 2, then equal to 5. When you are done, you group like terms. Okay, so those that are alike, you write them at one side and then you continue. So we have 2x, we have coefficient of x to be what? 2. And you have the constant here, 2, another constant here, 5. So we group like terms. So let's take it as I'm maintaining my 2x. Then I'm sending this constant number to the other side. So I bring my equal sign. I write my 5. The 2 is positive. So when I send it to the other side, it will be what? Negative. So we get 2x equal to 5 minus 2. Okay, so we have 2x equal to, when you subtract 2 from 5, you get what? 3. Now we don't want 2x, we want x. So what are you going to do? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and that is what? 2. Okay, so divide this one by 2. We divide this one too by 2. So x gives us what? X is equal to 3 out of 2. But that is not the answer, okay? We are told to write the truth set. So let's write the truth set as our final answer. So the truth set, x is said that x is equal to 3 divided by 2. So this becomes the answer for the question. 2 multiplying x plus 1 equal to 5. Our third question is finding the truth set of 2 multiplying x plus 1 or equal to x minus 3. So with this, the first thing you have to do is to expand the bracket. So let's do that. We expand the bracket by multiplying the number outside the bracket by each term in the bracket. So we have 2 multiply x give us 2x. 2 multiplying positive 1 give us what? Positive 2 equal to, we have x minus 3. These ones are not in a bracket being multiplied by any number, so you write it as it is. Okay, good. Now that we have reached this portion, you have to group like terms. Okay, you can decide to send all those constant numbers to the right hand side and then bring those having coefficients also to the other side, or you can do it the other way around. So let's take it as I'm grouping like terms and I want to bring this s to this side and send the constant number to this side. Okay, good. So we have 2x. Now the x is positive here. When it comes here, it will be what? Negative x. So you bring your equal sign. I came to meet minus 3. Okay, so when you send this positive 2 to this side, it is positive. So it will be what? Negative. Okay, so we have 2x minus x equal to negative 3 minus 2. Okay, so 2x, you subtract x from it, you get 1x remaining. And that one is equal to negative 3 minus 2 gives you what? Negative 5. So when you are done, then you write your truth set for the question. And that one is x is said that x is equal to negative 5. So this becomes our answer for the question. 2 into bracket x plus 1 equal to x minus 3. Our next question is to find the truth set of 2 multiplying x plus 5 or equal to 5 multiplying x minus 7. Before we can do this, the first thing we have to do is to expand the bracket, okay? And that is multiplying the number outside the bracket by those inside the bracket. So you multiply the number outside the bracket by each term in the bracket. Multiply the number outside the bracket by each term in the bracket. And that is 2 multiply x gives you 2x. 2 multiply positive 5 gives you positive 10. You bring your equal sign. 5 multiply x gives you 5x. 5 multiply negative 7 gives you negative 35. Okay, good. Now that we have reached here, you group like terms. You can decide to send the constant numbers to the right hand side and write those having coefficients to at the left hand side, or you can decide to write those having the coefficients to the right hand side and bring those constants to the left hand side. Okay, any of them will give you the same answer. So let's take it as I want to write my constant numbers at the left hand side. Okay, good. So I'm maintaining my 10, which is a constant number, and then I'm bringing my negative 35 to this side. So since it's been negative, when it comes here, it will be what? Positive. So I write my positive 35 equal to, I have my 5x here already. Then you bring your positive 2x to the other side. Since it's positive, it will be what? Negative here. Okay, now that I'm done, 10 plus 35 gives you 45 equal to 5x minus 2x gives 3x. Good. So we want x, we don't want 3x. So what are you going to do? We divide this by the coefficient of x, which is 3, and do the same thing to this side because it is in an equation. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives you 1. 1 multiply x gives us x. And then 45 divided by 3 gives you what? 15. So we have 15 equal to x. Now this is not the answer. We are not done. The answer is to find the truth set. So let's find the truth set. And that one is x. It said that x is equal to 15. So this becomes the answer.